SureWall. SureWall is an innovative wall system designed for enhanced durability and efficiency in construction projects. This pre-engineered wall solution combines advanced materials and technology to create a robust framework that offers superior insulation, soundproofing, and structural integrity. Typically used in commercial and residential buildings, SureWall systems are engineered to facilitate faster installation, reducing labor costs and construction timelines. The system is versatile, accommodating various finishes and design aesthetics, making it suitable for a wide range of architectural styles. Additionally, SureWall is often designed with sustainability in mind, featuring eco-friendly materials that contribute to energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact. Its modular design allows for easy integration with other building components, providing architects and builders with a flexible solution that meets modern construction demands while ensuring long-lasting performance and resilience. Stonewrap. Stonewrap is a specialized protective wrap designed to safeguard natural stone surfaces during transportation, installation, and storage. This innovative product is made from high-quality durable materials that provide cushioning and resistance to impact, preventing scratches, chips, and other forms of damage that can occur during handling. Stonewrap is particularly beneficial in the stone industry, where slabs and tiles are often heavy and prone to breakage. Its lightweight yet strong composition allows for easy application and removal, making it a practical solution for both manufacturers and installers. Additionally, Stonewrap is designed to be environmentally friendly, often incorporating recyclable materials that minimize environmental impact. By using Stonewrap, businesses can enhance the protection of their stone products, ensuring they arrive at their destination in pristine condition and maintaining the aesthetic appeal and value of the natural stone. FRANK Tubbox. FRANK Tubbox is a specialized solution designed for the efficient and secure transportation of concrete components, particularly during construction projects. This innovative product functions as a modular transport system that allows for the safe handling and storage of precast elements, ensuring they remain undamaged throughout the logistics process. Constructed from robust materials, Tubbox is designed to withstand the rigors of construction environments while providing excellent protection against impacts and weather conditions. Its modular design allows for easy stacking and assembly, optimizing space during transport and storage. FRANK Tubbox is particularly valued for its versatility, accommodating various shapes and sizes of precast concrete elements, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects. By utilizing Tubbox, contractors and manufacturers can enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs associated with damage, and streamline their logistics processes, ultimately contributing to the success of construction projects. Barron's Grader. Barron's Grader is a highly effective tool designed for leveling sand and gravel, particularly during the installation of tiles and paving stones. This grader features a robust construction that allows it to efficiently distribute materials, ensuring a smooth and even surface crucial for successful paving projects. With adjustable blade angles and heights, Baron's grader can be tailored to specific job requirements, making it versatile for various terrain conditions. Its ergonomic design promotes ease of use, allowing operators to achieve precise leveling without excessive manual effort. The grader is ideal for preparing sub-bases, as it minimizes the risk of settling and shifting over time, ultimately enhancing the durability and stability of the laid tiles and stones. By utilizing Baron's grader, contractors can significantly improve efficiency and accuracy in their paving projects, leading to high-quality results and reduced labor time. Kinley AluExcel. Kinley AluExcel Aluminum Landscape is an innovative solution designed for modern landscaping and outdoor environments, offering a durable and aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional materials. This product line features high-quality aluminum profiles that are lightweight yet strong, making them easy to handle and install while providing excellent structural integrity. AluExcel is particularly valued for its corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. The versatility of the system allows for a wide range of applications, including edging, borders, and raised beds, enhancing the design possibilities for gardens, parks, and urban spaces. Additionally, Kinley's AluExcel products are designed with a sleek, modern finish that complements contemporary landscape designs, contributing to both functionality and visual appeal. By integrating AluExcel into landscaping projects, designers and builders can create sustainable, low-maintenance outdoor spaces that enhance the overall environment while minimizing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. The Tyler Trolley. The Tyler Trolley with battery is an innovative tool designed to streamline the process of transporting tiles and other materials on construction sites. This mobile cart features a sturdy, lightweight frame equipped with wheels for easy maneuverability, allowing tilers to efficiently move tiles from one location to another without straining their backs. The integrated battery-powered lift mechanism enables users to raise and lower heavy loads effortlessly, reducing physical strain and enhancing productivity. With a spacious platform designed to securely hold various tile sizes and weights, the trolley promotes organization on the job site. Additionally, many models come with features such as tool storage compartments and adjustable handles for added convenience. By incorporating a Tyler trolley with battery into their workflow, tilers can improve efficiency, minimize the risk of injury, and maintain a well-organized working environment. Gardino KO Instructions Gabions. The Giardino KO Instructions for Gabions provide comprehensive guidelines for the effective installation and use of gabion structures in landscaping and civil engineering projects. These instructions detail the materials required, including high-quality wire mesh and filling materials such as stones or gravel, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Step-by-step procedures are outlined for assembling the gabions, from preparing the foundation to properly securing the mesh and filling the cages, ensuring stability and alignment. The document emphasizes the importance of adhering to safety standards during installation, including recommendations for personal protective equipment. Additionally, it covers design considerations, such as spacing and drainage, to prevent erosion and maintain structural integrity. By following these guidelines, users can create visually appealing and functional gabion walls or structures that enhance outdoor spaces while providing effective erosion control and landscaping solutions. Expander 2000 Floor Grinder and Polishing Machine. The Expander 2000 Floor Grinder and Polishing Machine is a powerful and versatile tool designed for grinding, polishing, and maintaining concrete, terrazzo, and natural stone floors. This machine features a robust construction that ensures durability and stability during operation, allowing for efficient removal of surface imperfections and achieving a high gloss finish. Equipped with multiple diamond tool options, the Expander 2000 can tackle various surface conditions and desired finishes, from aggressive grinding to fine polishing. Its user-friendly design includes adjustable working speeds and a planetary gear system, which enhances maneuverability and ensures even results across large areas. Additionally, the machine's compact size and lightweight design facilitate easy transport and operation in tight spaces. With its advanced features and exceptional performance, the Expander 2000 is an ideal choice for professional contractors and flooring specialists looking to deliver high-quality flooring solutions. Baton Block. Baton Block is an innovative modular system designed for the efficient construction of durable concrete structures, particularly in landscaping, urban development, and civil engineering projects. These versatile concrete blocks are characterized by their interlocking design, allowing for easy assembly and disassembly without the need for additional mortar or adhesives. Baton Block provides excellent strength and stability, making it ideal for applications such as retaining walls, garden borders, and storage solutions. The blocks are made from high-quality, weather-resistant concrete, ensuring longevity and minimal maintenance requirements. Additionally, Baton Block systems can be customized with various finishes and colors, enabling designers to create visually appealing structures that integrate seamlessly into their surroundings. With its straightforward installation process and sustainable design, Baton Block is a favored choice among contractors and landscapers looking to optimize their projects while maintaining structural integrity and aesthetic value.